Module 3, Lesson 1, Topic 2, Apply number format. When cells contain text, for the most part the text displayed in the cell is what appears in the formula bar. However, when a cell contains a number value of some kind, you can make the cell display that value in many ways to indicate meaning without changing the actual value in that cell. For example, if you enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a cell, does that number represent a quantity of an item? An amount of money? A date? Yes, dates are numbers. A number of minutes or hours? Or is it a postal code or a product number, which aren't truly numeric values but are actually text values? The general test for determining if digits are a numeric value or text is this: would or could calculations ever be performed on this value? If the answer is yes, and that includes dates and times, then it's a number. If the answer is no, then it's text. The number group on the Home tab of the ribbon contains several ways to select number formatting. The options in this group include a drop-down list with choices for commonly used formats and access to the Format Cells dialog box via the More Number Formats command. Shortcut buttons to apply the accounting number format, the $sign. Percent style, the percent sign. And comma style, the large comma. Buttons to increase or decrease the number of decimal places displayed. Number formats are applied to cells, and that format then applies to whatever may be entered into that cell at any time. The number format usually will not affect any true text values that are entered in the cell. Actual numeric values will be affected. Number formatting does not change the value itself. For example, if you enter 1.25 in a cell that is set to only display one decimal place, it will display as 1.3, but when used in a calculation, it will still be 1.25. Thank you for watching. See you in the Topic 3 Reuse format. Keep learning.